We are trying to locate hard-coded values being moved to a field. For example, where do we move a hard-coded X to a field with text or code? We could type it out like this. However, there's an easier way. And the easier way is to use a saved query. If you click on saved query and you go to mainframe saved queries, one of them is going to be legacy value to field. When you click on that, it will pop up and ask you what are the fields you're moving. So we can say here maybe an X or Y or a Z or G. And then what field? We can say any field that has text or code. And then the system will automatically build the search in the best way possible, allowing us to simply, let's see, we're in COBOL, to simply search and find all the places where we're moving hard-coded values to a field. And here they are. All the places that are moving hard-coded values we requested to the fields with either text or code.